Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wen. Here is the question. If n is a natural number, satisfy all conditions here, can you find such n satisfy all conditions, which is the smallest, the minimum? Sometimes the natural number people call positive integer. So here, look at those conditions. Those are notations from number theory. This one also equivalent. Equivalent, they call it congruent, modulo to 10. What does this mean? This is the number remainder. When n divided by 10, that's a remainder. So here, divide by 9, the remainder should be 8. Divide by 8, the remainder is 7. So here, n should satisfy all conditions. The last one, n divided by 2, the remainder is 1. Now look at this question. How to solve this kind of problem? This step is important. We consider n plus 1 instead of n directly. If we plus n here, n plus 1 here, it will be much easier to solve this problem. So here, look at n plus 1. First of all, n plus 1, both sides plus 1. Left-hand side is n plus 1, right-hand side is 9 plus 1, which is 10. 10 divided by 10 is what? Remainder is 0. That means n plus 1 is divisible by 10. So n plus 1 is divisible by 10. Look at the 9. If both sides plus 1, n plus 1, here it should be n plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So n plus 1 is divisible by 9. So here, similarly here, n plus 1 is divisible by 2, by 3, by 4 until 10. So n plus 1 is divisible by all those consecutive numbers from 2 to 10. So now we change the question. N plus 1 is the common multiple of 2, 3 until 10. To find the minimum value of n satisfy all conditions, it is equivalent to say that we want to find least common multiple for those numbers. Find the least common multiple for those numbers are easy. So here, that's the least common multiple for those numbers. You have done this, right? Factoring each part. For example, 10 is 2 times 5. We have 2 here, you have 5 here. Let's start from 2. 2, you have 2 here, right? 3, you have 3 here. 4, where's 4? 2 times 2, you have here, right? 5, 5 here. 6, where's 6? 6, that's 2 times 3, you have here. 6, 7, you have 7 here. 8, 8, you have 2 to the power 3. That's why we need this prime factor to the power 3. That's 8. 9, 9 is what? 3 times 3, that's 3 to the power 2. 10 is what? 2 is here, 5 is here, 10. So this is a least common multiple. Sometimes they use the letter for LCM. So here, this is a common multiple for what? For n, but not for n plus 1. For n plus 1, right? So right now we want to find n. What's the relationship in between n and n plus 1? For n plus 1, minus 1. This result for n plus 1, minus 1. You will get n. So that's the smallest n, satisfy all conditions. So which is 2,519. That's the answer for the smallest natural number, satisfy all conditions here. You can check it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.